was only presented to my office. I was not even able to speak or to sponsor that I moved for the approval of the request. There was none. But Councilor Nava stood up and moved for the immediate. Why pa kagani ko kambal? I just explained the rules. No? The rules on the granting of resolution to the request. Well, I explained it well that sabong will only be conducted during Sundays. And based on my statement, Councilor Nava moved for the disapproval of the request.
Pero you asked for reconsideration?
Yeah, I asked for consideration but nobody seconded.
Okay.
So it's okay. But I did not sponsor anything. Ano bang inambal ko nga I moved for the approval of kwan kay wala gid.
Councilor, anong nangin balasihan para i-disapprove sang council ang ining Rono, abe?
I think you better ask them kay nga agin disapprove nila. Kaya kung wala pa ganito ko ka-explain, disapprove na nila. Ginpatay na nila dayon. Di ba? Why pa ko kasi nga aprobahan tani? Why ko yung magambal pa sila? I just explained the rules kung paano. No? Immediately, I think, do we be the one to explain kung nga ang gin-cite pa rin na ni Councilor Nava, I think religious, ang kanila niya is a religious affair. It should not be tied up with cockfighting. But sa inyo, tinabalaan nyo naman nga tradisyon na nga every time there is a fiesta, although ang fiesta is a religious affair, but every time there is a fiesta, there is also a request for bulang or cockfighting. And that is not the first time nga why bulang. Every year, di ba may bulang? Subong lang siguro ay bulang eh.
Okay. Councilor?
It's unfortunate nga may mga bisita. Kita dire, ang ako niya gina-consider ang bisita ng ari na di. What will happen sa mga, balong mo, directly or indirectly, may mga benefits man kita mo. May ang transportation, damo, nagsakay, taxi. Ang hotel ta, puno tungkol sa bisita ta. All over the country. And even some parts of the world may nagkakagtuna di and participate in Candelaria nga tawag na bulang.
So first time ini sir sa
Yeah,
history
first
sang
time.
fiesta nga wala sang bulang.
Wala sang bulang dira.
Okay.
Kung may bulang ta, that's illegal.
Okay.
Ha? Wala sila permit. Kung may bulang ng itbada, allowed na sila during Sundays.
Councilor, isa-isa huntang process. Balik ka gaina, mahambal ka lang kung tani isang, kumbaga explain ka lang with
Yeah,
regards
explain lang
tani.
po. Yeah, explain.
Tapos ano dapat ang next na, Councilor?
Ang next sinatan kung I would like to ask them everyone kung pabor sila o hindi.
Okay.
Why pag hindi ko ambal kung pabor ako o hindi Nagabal ko nga pabor ko hindi wala. Tingnan nobody speak. I was caught by surprise lang natin nag-buo siya. Hindi sila mag-approve. Maybe nag-istorya sila guro. Ila man yung diretso, no? That's the collective decision and we have to honor it. Whatever it is.
Kung aprubahan kung tani, Councilor, ang Rono, go tani ining
Go tani
cockfight.
ang cockfighting.
Okay.
But I was not able to speak. Kasi lay down ko pa lang ang rules on the granting of permit, no? To nakanta kong cockfighting.
So bali ang Rono sir is one of the requirements para matagan sila sang permit.
Yeah, naturally, we have to authorize the mayor to give the permit. It's the mayor who give the permit upon the authorization of the Sanggunian.
So for